Hey Savage and Sons, I'm shooting this video for you guys to kind of give you a little breakdown of your website compared to your competitors. I tried calling and getting your email address and I seen it listed on your Facebook, so I found it and I wanted to shoot this for you guys because you guys are one of the oldest companies in Reno, and as of right now you're just not pulling the traffic that you guys could be pulling from just organically ranking your website. I know you guys are currently running ads and probably paying a fortune when your website could be pulling that same traffic just naturally without paying all that extra money. And I'm going to show you how right here. So first things first, there's three major things that I want to cover in this video, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. So content. Now Google likes to see 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on a homepage. And as we scroll down on your homepage, which I do say I do like your logo, however, I would have a home, about us, and a drop-down menu with your services listed. Now, these are the type of websites that we build here. We built this for a plumber out in Woodland Hills, California. We've tripled his traffic, and you can even call and verify if you'd like. His website was nowhere near this before us, and every single one of his services is listed. And in these services, all the keywords that are involved with each service is listed in there too. So plumbing service and repair, Los Angeles. That just goes to show what a well-built website can actually do for you. But let's go back to yours. So 1,500 words is what Google likes to see, and you got to think Google's just a crawling website, and all it can do is read. So if you don't have the right information and telling it what you want to rank for, it's not going to be able to rank you accordingly. But I just did a quick search for plumber Reno NV, and I wanted to see if you guys are showing up as if I was a normal person looking for a plumber in Reno, and you're not. You're not showing up anywhere other than on the ads, and it was at the bottom. But who is showing up in first place is this ihsplumbing.com. So let's look and see what kind of content they have. As we scroll down, they do have some content here, some more content, but nowhere near the 1,500 words that Google likes to see. So if we were to go out and get that 1,500, we would beat them in that first aspect. And also I can suggest getting a form submit up here in this header, because that's big for client conversions. Also saving your pictures as keywords, and a map in the footer. You do have your hours and a phone number, plus click to call buttons makes it a lot easier for client conversions as well. I see that you have that right up here at the header, but it would be nice throughout the website so people can see it anywhere and just click and call right from their phone, or dial it from their computer too. So let's go back to this main plumber Reno keyword, and I'm going to show you all your keywords and your site stats here in 1 second. So I want to focus on this middle section, this GMB section. As you can see, plumber Reno, Nevada, you guys are not showing up for in this top three, which is affecting your clients as well too. Now, your front desk lady had said, you guys are doing fine as far as business, but that's because you're paying cost per click. So I don't know what your budget is, but I guarantee it's very high in what you're paying just to get the business that you are paying. When I'm going to show you these keywords, that shows how much volume is for every keyword, and if you were to rank for it, you'd be pulling all that business rather than paying cost per click. So in this middle GMB section, what ranks you here is citations, and that's your name, address, and phone number listed in directories all over the web, in like the Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook, BBB, Chamber of Commerce. They all give you citations. And the more citations you have, the higher you'll rank, along with good reviews, adding pictures. It's good to add pictures to your GMB listing anywhere you're doing jobs. So say you do a job out here in Northwest Reno. You'd want to post a picture there and geotag it so Google recognizes that, hey, even though you guys are located in Reno, you do work out here. So then you're going to start gaining some traction out here. And if somebody's there looking for you, or a plumber, you'll pop up here. So I'd be posting pictures from there. I'd be posting pictures down here towards Scion Park, Lockwood if you go out there, Sun Valley. The farther the better, because then your map range will expand out. So that's citations in the GMB, but this is the main part that I wanted to get to, and this is the organic section, and this deals directly with your website. So IHS Plumbing is in first place. So I have this tool I use called Ahrefs, and I plugged in your guys' website, and this shows me a basic overview of all your site and its stats. So as you can see, you don't have a UR or a DR. You're not getting any traffic organically at the moment, and this is your competition, IHS. They have a 24 and a 14. Now, they have 745 keywords and they're getting about 600 traffic to their site just for ranking here, number one. Pay-per-click doesn't put you here. None of that does. Only ranking organically through backlinks does. And a backlink is when another website links back to your website. And you want relevant backlinks that are pointing at you that are relevant to your niche. So you wouldn't want Pizza Hut giving you a backlink. You'd want other plumbing companies or a blog written about, drain cleaning or sewer repair that would link back to your website, because that's going to transfer the most power because it's more relative to what you do. So this is going to show you, and you might be sick not knowing this before and knowing it now, but look at this. So plumbing Reno. Now all these keywords, this is going to show me the keyword, which is what people are typing right here every month up in the Google search bar. So plumbing Reno is being typed 100 times every month. And they're in first place. This is the IHS plumbing. They're getting 42 traffic just by being right here at the top of the organic section. They're getting 42 people to their website when they type in plumber out of that whole 100. So you're not ranking for any of those keywords at this moment. Plumbers Reno, 250 searches a month. Gas leak repair Reno, 80 searches a month. Reno plumber, 200. Plumber Reno, 200. Plumbing Reno NV, 150. Plumbers Reno NV, so 200. That's 200 people typing Plumbers Reno NV every month looking for plumbers in Reno. But that's why there's all these different keywords, because 200 people may type this. 150 people are typing it this way. 200 people are typing it this way. 200 people are typing it this way. So that just goes to show all these different variations. And then what we do is embed these keywords into that content on your homepage so you get found for it. That's exactly what we did with this plumber in Woodland Hills. As you can see, plumber Woodland Hills right up here. That's the main keyword. And then we got one in the heading, Woodland Hills plumber, and the picture saved as it. As we go down, other keywords, plumber in Woodland Hills, plumber Woodland Hills, California, and it's all embedded, organically looking, so you'll naturally start to rank for that. My client sites are very powerful. I'd love to talk with you guys a little bit more. I tried calling. Your front desk lady kind of cut me off and never let me get the email to even send this, so luckily I found it and got this video shot. I'm available at any time to talk and provide any information. I'm not looking for any money. I just wanted to show you guys what was out there and what was possible. And my name is Lee Terbienic, and I'm the president of Diamond City Digital Marketing, and I'd love to speak with you guys a little bit further into this. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.